Klarna Review 2024. Is it the best buy now, pay later app? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. Today we're diving into Klarna, one of the most popular buy now, pay later apps. Is it worth using in 2024? Let's find out. Klarna lets you shop online and split your purchases into smaller payments over time. You can choose between options like paying in 30 days, splitting payments into 3 or 4 installments, or financing your purchase over several months. The app works with thousands of retailers, from fashion and electronics to home goods. The app itself is sleek and easy to use. You can browse deals, track your spending, and even set payment reminders to avoid late fees. Klarna also offers a virtual card for purchases, which makes it even more versatile. Now for the pros, Klarna is perfect if you want to spread out payments without using a credit card. There are no interest charges on short-term plans, which is a big advantage compared to traditional financing. It's also great for budget-conscious shoppers, as you only pay for what you use. But here are the downsides. If you miss a payment, Klarna can charge late fees, which adds up quickly. Plus, it's easy to overspend since the payments feel smaller, so you need to stay disciplined. Finally, not all retailers accept Klarna, so your options may be limited depending on where you shop. So is Klarna worth it? If you're someone who shops online frequently and wants flexible payment options, it's a fantastic tool. Just be sure to stay on top of your payments to avoid extra charges. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Klarna and what you think about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next review.